At mapapanood po nyo sa NBN4 ang Philippine Navy versus San Sebastian sa Sabado, alas 2 ng hapon, ang inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League. At nagbabalik po tayo dito sa ating first set. Philippine Army with a 1-point lead. Pero bago yan, batiin natin ang isang happy birthday si Wilson Dodong Dikembe Latombo. Wow! At saka advance happy birthday kay Gorio Traquena. Ito po ang inyong kasamang si Ronnie Magsanok bumabati sa ngalan ng inyong Shakey's V-League family.
Ano yung name ulit? Ano yung name? Dikembe, Latombo?
Dodong Dikembe Latombo. Parang namesake kasi ni Dikembe Latombo.
Okay.
Oh. Pero ito, tatlo na ang abante ng Army. Bumati lang tayo ng 2 beses, tatlo na ang kanilang kalamangan, forcing them to call ceasefire. At pakinggan natin dito ang kanilang mentor.
Yung sinasabi ko nga, pag pumwesto kayo doon, i-anticipate nyo na sa inyo yung darating ang bola, ha? Pag ano, pag misreceive, bigyan na maayos sa open para ma-follow. Kaya natin yan.
Lapit lang tayo, te!
Hindi naman natin lalamangan yan kung hindi natin kaya eh. Diba? Nakita lumalamang nga tayo eh. Sa isa lang ang isa.
Oh, good words of encouragement by Coach Dong de la Cruz. Tama naman eh, you tell your players, di kayo lalamang kung hindi nyo kaya, right?
Pero kailangan masustain mo yan dahil pag lamang ka, hindi pa naman natatapos.
That's right.
It's the end of the set. At ang hinahanap dito ng Air Force is makakuha muna ng kanilang unang set dahil they dropped 3 straight sets to San Sebastian nung kanilang unang laro. And it only took 69 minutes for the Lady Stags to be able to overcome the challenge ng Air Force. Of course, San Sebastian parading very good reinforcements. At nakakuha ng 1 puntos dito ang Air Force. Balse coming back quickly with that quick. Oh!
Error there by Sherry Rose.
19-16 here in the first set. If it's Fan Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Carolino. That's Michelle Carolino serving for Philippine Army.
Wow!
Tulis!
Well, Aiza Maiza obviously cranking it up a bit for Team Air Force. It's a good sign for them.
My understanding likewise na wala yung libero dun sa loob, so pwede yung atakihin yung mga receivers ng Philippine Army. Makatangay serving.
Oh, good serve.
Tulis again.
Hitting
Difficult
error.
angle for Bunag who had 20 points behind the 26 big markers nitong si Michelle Carolino, but don't look now, isa na lamang inahabol ng Philippine Air Force. Makatangay once again. Mayat Carolino receiving. That error.
Oh, that's an rare error by Mary Jean Balse. She was very tentative with what she was about
Kung
to do.
ibabalik ba niya o ipapagay niya. Pero after that timeout, nakabalik ng mabilis dito ang Philippine Air Force.
That's right. That's a good sign for them. It's a good timeout. And now we're tied at 19. Wow! Good save.
Manzano. Bunag once again, but this time over 2 blockers.
Just getting it through 2 blockers.
Kanina she went cross-court, no? But this time she went directly at the blockers. Found the gap on the defense. Medyo maluwag no?
That's right. Actually, that's the blockers' fault in that play. Makita mo, it's they didn't completely
Yes.
put their hands across the net. Or over the
That
net.
was too long for Mayat Carolino. Yung errors dito ng Army late here in the first set, nakakasakit sa kanila and giving extra points para dito sa Air Force na dumidikit sa ating first set.
That's right. Good
Aiza,
serve.
yes. Bunag going directly to Aiza Maiso. He's one of the better receivers dito sa ating V-League, pero masyadong mabigat. Too much spin on that attack.
That's right. Actually, Bunag feeling it right now, but the blockers weren't there for Air Force.
Again for the second straight time para dito sa koponan ng Army. A service error. Way too long. Hanggang Villamor.
So that's what's been happening. Army will score a point, they give it back because they can't get their services in.
Balsa receiving. Cruz with a quick. Just at the net. And na naman, pumuntos na naman dito ang Philippine Army. But let's see if John Bunag will be much steadier sa kanyang pag-serve. 3 points away from winning first set. Maiso receiving, Semana. Good dig by Balse. Carolino.
Another good
Yes.
rally.
Carolina showing us that not only is she in better physical shape, pero makita mo, may extra inches sa kanyang mga talon ngayon.
That's right. Talagang you can see that the hang time.
Siguro mga at least 10 pounds ang nilose niya, no?
Probably.
At least. Manzano. Free ball. Oh, free ball yan. Iratay going to Carolino again. Retrieved by the libero. He's over the 2 blockers.
Oh, very smart off-speed hit.
Bata pa to eh. May hang time pa. Nalatigay, seeing action for the first time. New friend de Simana. Also played well kanilang first game.
Well, as we were saying in this match, the leading scorers are Maizo and Bunag. I'm not surprised.
Yes. Carolina this time getting a check ball call. 1 point away from bagging the first set, Philippine Army. Iratay will try to close out this first set. Gusto ko rin mapanood, no? Pag nakita natin dito yung mga enlisted men natin, men and women. Pag naglaban yung ating mga enlisted personnel sa mga darating pa nating mga matches. Makatangay tried to get that over 2 blockers. Carolina trying to finish off his first set.
Wow! Pancake break sa Maizo.
Hirap yun. Mayev tried to go for that clincher. Buhay pa po ang ating rally. Makatangay, free ball. Ababa, no? Oh, Semana once again.
Oh, finally!
Nakita niya yung butas. Went down the line. A timeout here by Philippine Army. They're still ahead 24-23. This play moved Air Force 1 point away from Philippine Army.
Cherry Rose Makatangay just scoring down the line at very timely kill for Air Force. Actually, that has been working also for Air Force. Maizo, Makatangay, and Seman, you know, the 3 of them. Parang triangle offense.
Dulot, kanto-kanto eh. Pero yun ang diskarte rito ni Wendy Simana, knowing who to go to at the right time. And Carolina once again with the check ball, and she will get that ball. Very smart setup by Iratay, going to her money player, and she delivers first set going to Philippine Army, 25-23.
Well, that's right, and that's our shaken play. Iratay going to who else? Michelle Carolino for the first set.